And this is the final product of the animal cell. We back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a science project for school. I'm going to be making an animal cell. And as some of you guys may know, science projects or projects in general are hard, but sometimes easy. It's all about how you think about it. Let's get it. Alright guys, I kind of already started this project. So I had 2 kiwi squishy things and they were half and half. So I already cut this top one in half and glued it to here and put some felt right here to make it all white. And then this is the piece of paper that I'm going to be writing the numbers to tell the teacher on like what these parts are and what they do. And then over here is all the stuff that we need, like for the animal cell, how it gets the placement and stuff. And let's get it. Alright guys, right, the first step we're going to be starting with is I'm going to be grabbing the nucleus and setting it right here. And then I'm grabbing the nucleus and putting it on the nucleus. And that's this part right here in the animal cell, the red and the yellow. Okay guys, the nucleus and the nucleus is on. Now we're going to be doing the rough ER and the smooth ER. Let's get it. Alright, the rough ER is going to be just a squiggly line like that over here. And then this is going to be the smooth ER. It's going to be like this. Kind of like the same thing, just smooth instead of fuzzy. This is going to be like that. And then the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, I just put the smooth ER and the rough ER on. And now let's get to the next part.
So what other options did you have other than for the project, other than the animal cell?
There was only one more cell I could take, which was the plant cell. And if you guys tune in for another video, I will be doing the plant cell for us. And then, okay, let's get to the animal cell. The next part I'm going to be putting on is the lysomes. This is what cleans the cell from diseases and stuff, which helps your body not get infections. And it's going to be right there. Alright guys, the lysome is on. Next we are going to be doing the mitochondria, which are these 3 little things. These act like air pumps to like pump air in the cell. And these will be going all around here like that. Alright guys, I got the mitochondria on and I just figured this out. I forgot to tell you guys that the mitochondria also make energy for the yellow nucleus. And alright guys, the next part is going to be the centrioles, and we only need 2 of these. Okay, and they're going to be going, one goes right here and one goes, no, they'll go up here, one right there and one right there, because in this picture they're both together. I kind of forgot what these do, but let's get it. Alright guys, I just put on the centriosomes and now we're going to be putting on the, I don't know how to say this first word, but these little orange things that are right here above the nucleus.
Which is the Golgi apparatus.
But, and instead of orange, they're going to be a little purple strips. Let's get it. Alright, they're kind of like the pancakes. Go next to each other. Alright, this is how it's going to be. set this up right. Alright, there you go. 8-minute video is like 2 hours.
No.
You said it was like 2 hours.
It's gonna be about something.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, guys. We just put the I just put the googly. Okay, I'm just gonna say it my way. Googly apparatus is on, and now we're gonna be putting the googly vesicles on, which are these little orange dots. If you guys can see it on the picture, right next to the little orange pink googly stuff. We're gonna be putting it on right next to ours. Ours are also orange. Alright guys, we just put the googly vesicles on, which are these little orange dots. And I guess the next part we're gonna be doing is the ribsome, which are all throughout the cell. So I'm just gonna be placing some all around, which are these green little things. Made them green so they can pop out. Alright guys, I just got put in the ribosome. Done putting the ribosomes on, which are these little green things. And I guess the next part we're going to be doing is the microtubules.
Let me see.
This one, the microtubules. Okay, guys, I just finished putting the microtubes on. This is the finished result. Well, we're finished with building it. Now it's time to put numbers on here. I'm going to explain what I'm going to be doing. I'm putting the numbers 1 through 14, 13 on here. And then I'm going to be attaching them to the stick and poking them onto the pieces right next to where they are. Let's get it. Alright guys, it looks a little crowded, but I got all the numbers on. You can see some of them. And as you guys know, so clear. And now I gotta grab a piece of paper, write down 1 through 13, and then start naming them, everything, the stuff. Alright, I'm gonna tell you guys some stuff that I missed out. This is the cell membrane, which is all this brown stuff that holds everything in place. Make sure it doesn't flood all the way out. And then this white stuff on the inside is called the cytoplasm, which holds everything in place. It's like a jelly substance. And let's get to the writing. Alright guys, I just finished writing down the numbers and what they are, 1 through 13. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me move. Alright, those are 1 through 13. Alright guys, and this is the final product of the animal cell.
Oh, nice.
It does look good. That's what it's supposed to look like, and this is mine. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to stay tuned if you guys want to see me make the plant cell. We out.
All right, all of the parts to an animal cell that we discussed in the video is right here. So we have the Golgi vesicles. We have the rough ER, which means endoplasmic reticulum. We have the smooth ER, which has no ribosomes. We have ribosomes. We have the cell membrane, microtubulus, the mitochondrion, the Golgi apparatus, the nucleolus, the nucleus, the centrioles, the lysome, and the cytoplasms. These are the parts to an animal cell that we discussed. So if anything wasn't pronounced right, this is it right here. All right.